Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the brand new iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue, as well as some other accessories for it, which are the case I got for it and some other MagSafe stuff. So let's get into it. So I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone first, so I'm just going to move everything else to the side so we can unbox brand new iPhone 13 Pro. I got this in Sierra Blue, which by all the photos and when I visited the Apple store, it looks so pretty, so I'm really glad I chose this color. And I got it in 256 gigabytes. So the iPhone 13 has so many cool new features, especially added to like the camera. And as you can see on the screen, which you can pause to read, it has for example, better battery lasting time. And the camera has so many cool new features, and I saw one, it literally you can make it look like a movie. So I'm just really excited to be using this to film my YouTube videos now. And I anyways take a lot of photos and videos in general, so the Pro is the best choice if you are, I guess, into photography but don't want to buy a really expensive camera. Also, as you can tell, the packaging is so much more smaller and thinner, and that's because they took out the adapter in the packaging so that it just be a lot more. It's 3 times less the size as it was with the previous phones. That's why I also did get an adapter. Honestly, I just think it'd be useful to get another one. Anyways, let's just get into the unboxing part. Whoa, look at how pretty that blue is. I don't know if you can really tell in the camera, it looks more white, but it's a really nice light blue. And with the Pro phones, it's got a matte finish to it. And oh my god, it just looks so pretty. And at the Apple store, I did compare this phone to the iPhone 11, and this did feel lighter, but I'm not really sure if it actually is. It could just be my imagination, but this just feels so good. It looks so pretty and just... I'm trying not to touch the screen because I don't want to get any fingerprints on it. So now just with the rest of what's in the box, there's the cable for it, but once again, no adapter. And the iPhone charger has the normal kind of iPhone charger that came with all the previous ones on one side, and then USB-C on the other side. And then the regular kind of pamphlet thing that comes with every Apple product. Inside there's this little pick, and you can use it to open this part, and that's where the SIM card goes in. And then the normal kind of stuff. And also the Apple sticker. So that's pretty much it with unboxing the iPhone So now I'm gonna move on to unboxing the phone case. So the phone case I got is a really pretty purple color, and this purple only comes in leather. So I know, like, I guess there used to be like a lot of like silicone ones, but this one is leather, and I did kind of want the silicone one because it just like feels softer, but leather is something new, so you know, why not try it? But anyways, let's just open the phone case. Ooh. I'm just gonna pop the phone in. So now that I've unboxed the phone, I'm now going to turn it on. Now I'm just gonna like set it up in how you normally would with any Apple device, like with the language, the region you're in, Wi-Fi, all that stuff. So now that I did that, I'm going to be setting up my Face ID, which it's so fun to do in my opinion, like, because when I did it for my iPad, I was just like so excited to do that. Now I'm just gonna create a password. Now I'm just going to do the rest of the setup stuff. So my phone is now restoring the stuff from my iCloud. So in the meantime, I'm going to unbox the adapter and then the MagSafe stuff. Also, this adapter is pretty much like my iPad adapter. So now I'm going to unbox the MagSafe stuff. So I'm gonna first start off with this, and it is the battery pack. And you basically can magnetically attach it to your phone, and also with the case, since it is MagSafe, that means that this can still magnetically attach to the phone even if it's on the case. So all you have to do is charge the battery pack. So it's basically like a portable battery pack, but without like all the wires and stuff. This is also like really light, so it won't really make the phone feel heavy if you have this attached. And there's also this. So just to demonstrate, you just put it like that and it just magnetically sticks on, and on the phone it'll show that it's charging and how much percent you're at. And this, it's hard to pull off, so it's not gonna just like fall off. So now I'm gonna be unboxing the other MagSafe charger, and it has two sides, and one is for your Apple Watch and one is for your phone. And this is also really convenient because you can always fold it just to use one side or the other. This though, you obviously do need to plug it into the wall. And I also forgot to mention, but the place where you charge the Apple Watch, you can also just push it up. So it's like this, and as you can see in this photo, you can charge your watch like that as well. And it also does come with the charger for it. Like I was explaining earlier, you can fold it, and you can fold it like this, where you obviously won't be able to use the charger, but you can just keep it like this, and like the charger will stay safe inside, like it won't get scratched by anything, and it magnetically attaches, so it's not just going to open up. Or you could do it the other way, so that you can either use the Apple Watch side to charge your Apple Watch, or the phone side of the charger to charge your phone. So my phone is now set up, and I did choose it when I was like restoring the iCloud. I did choose to use what was in my previous phone. So I'm just gonna go in there and kind of like change some stuff that was there if I like don't want it anymore, or like personalize my home screen and all of that stuff. And I also forgot to mention that the iPhone 13 has the iOS 15 update, so Safari is a little different. But right there, the search bar is now at the bottom. There is a way to move it to the top, just so you know. So I finished setting up my brand new iPhone 13, and I'm super excited to be using this because it has so many cool and new features. And if you decide to get a new phone and you take a lot of photos and videos, I would totally recommend the 13 Pro or Pro Max, because those have so many cool new features. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye!